Best deals.
1. Put-to maker. Aesthetically designed for enhanced safety and convenience. Perfect for daily use in urban lifestyle. Even heat distribution enables fast cooking, which helps in preserving food nutrients. Healthier dishes, for show. Prevents food from sticking to the surface. So, no cleaning hassles. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Lunchbox. Featuring a sturdy steel-laid lunchbox construction, it is the most reliable stainless steel lunchbox, leak-proof for kids and adults during busy commutes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Frying pan. Shatter-resistant tempered glass seals heat and moisture, allows you to monitor food, riveted, stay cool, handle with comfortable silicone grip. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Capsule tin. See-through lid provides a clear view of the container's contents. Airtight seal preserves freshness by preventing moisture and air exposure. 2.8 liters capacity, perfect for storing dry items such as grains, snacks, spices, and more. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Strainer. Easily switch between soaking and draining. The flat base lets you soak rice or fruits thoroughly, while the slanted side drainers enable fast, hands-free drainage. Evenly spaced perforations on the side allow quick water flow while keeping rice, grains, and fruits safely inside the bowl, perfect for washing rice before cooking. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Idli maker. The ergonomically designed body of the idli cooker enables heat distribution evenly. Effortlessly cook healthy dishes with multiple plates. It fits 2 plates at a time. Suitable for both gas and induction stove. Tri-ply sandwich bottom is made of 3 layers of metals. Durable, scratch and rust resistant. Product link is given in the 6th link. 7. Kadai. Enriches food with iron, adds iron content to your food that helps fight iron deficiency. Enjoy restaurant-like yummy dishes. Versatile cookware that allows you to prepare your favorite dishes effortlessly like biryani, gravies and many more. Product link is given in the 7th link. 8. Dustbin. Equipped with a built-in handle for easy transport, smooth surface allows for effortless cleaning. Made from high-quality ABS plastic, 100% food grade, and BPA-free, ensuring safety and durability, perfect for small spaces while providing ample storage. Ideal for the kitchen, bathroom, and under sink, hang it on cabinet doors or use as a standalone bin. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Containers. Transparent window lets you identify contents instantly without opening the container. Keeps groceries fresh for longer by protecting contents from moisture, air and spills. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Frying pan. Achieve crispy and flavorful results without worrying about damaging the pan. The pan is designed to withstand high heat, allowing you to cook at higher temperatures for superior browning and taste. Using high-quality German ceramic, this frying pan is built to last. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Plate stand rack. Is eco-friendly, offering a sustainable and long-lasting storage solution for your kitchen essentials. Its natural bamboo finish adds a rustic touch, enhancing your kitchen's aesthetic while being environmentally conscious, help maximize your storage potential. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Glass jars. The included airlocks help release gas buildup while keeping unwanted contaminants out, ensuring your fruits ferments naturally and without spoilage. You effortlessly ferment delicious and probiotic-rich juice at home. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Lunchbox. Features a stainless steel lid with clamp fitment and airtight seal, keeping food fresh and locking in flavor and moisture. Unique locking system with unbreakable, detachable clamps. Each container includes one extra free clamp inside. Ideal for carrying all types of food, stackable design for organized storage. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. French fries cutter. You simply place the potato in the middle of the grate and push down with the lid for ideal sized French fry slices. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Coffee maker. With the help of water level markings on our glass carafe, brew your coffee to perfection in less than 4 minutes. Now creating the perfect cup of coffee is not an art anymore. French press coffee pot is fitted with a 4-part superior filtration system and ensures little to no grinds in your brew. Coffee plunger is made from premium grade 18/8 stainless steel and extra tough borosilicate glass carafe that does not break easily. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Drawer. Made from high quality, thick plastic with a strong base and reinforced sides, a durable plastic storage rack built for long-term daily use in any home organizers and storage setup. Features 4 deep drawer storage compartments that provide ample room while saving space. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cooker. An all-in-one kitchen tool that lets you measure, rinse, cook, and serve rice or grains with ease. Designed for convenience, it's a must-have kitchen tool for cooking fluffy results without hassle, perfect for busy kitchens or quick meals. Using smart kitchen tools for modern living, paddle locks the lid securely in place. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Chopper. Twin blade technology, detachable double-layer stainless steel system provides quick and efficient chopping. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Brush. Crafted using cutting-edge technology, this push broom brush is built to last, surpassing ordinary brooms in terms of durability and performance. It's time to invest in a cleaning tool that stands the test of time. Adjust it to your preferred length and enjoy hassle-free cleaning, reaching every nook and cranny with ease. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Storage bag. Is made up of PVC material. The bag provides complete protection from dust, moths, moisture and rain. You can store them for long periods of time without acquiring dust, water and moisture. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Ice cube molds. Are very practical and lightweight. Pour half the water into the cup when making, only takes 3 seconds to complete the water injection, saving time. Then insert it into the silicone cup, gently press the bottom of the lid to expel the air, and put it in the refrigerator for a few hours. Effectively make many ice cubes for daily or parties. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Spoon stand. Featuring 4 spacious compartments, the spoon stand accommodates spoons, forks, knives, spatulas, and more. With this cutlery holder for kitchen countertop, you can store all your kitchen tools. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Kettle. It provides a perfect temperature. Water that is too hot will burn your coffee. If it is too cold, you won't extract the full consistency of the beans. Stainless kettle comes with an auto temperature gauge which allows you to brew your pour-over coffee at the optimal temperature. Make a perfect cup of coffee every time with our easy-to-read coffee thermometer. Make a perfect glass of coffee or tea. Smooth water flow is essential in making drip coffee and pour-over tea. Coffee and tea pot has an easy-to-pour gooseneck spout for precise water flow. Pour the right amount of water and pour at the right speed for consistent coffee extraction. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Jug. With a generous 1800 milliliters capacity, our water jugs are perfect for serving larger gatherings. Whether used as a juice jug or a water jug, it provides ample serving space for any occasion. Designed for versatility, a jug effortlessly serves both water and juice. Whether you need a juice jug for family brunch or water jugs for dining table settings, its multipurpose nature suits all needs. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Juicer. Made of electroplated hard steel parts and lead-free powder coating. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Ice cube tray. Is made of food-grade silicone, baby food-grade silicone, 100% BPA-free high-quality materials, the silicone ice cube trays which can used for adult and baby food. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Fruit basket. Sturdy steel mesh wall construction. Creative Fruit Centerpiece is a great decorative fruit basket for your dining room table, adding a simplistic and sleek modern touch to your home decor while safely storing your fruit. Perfect for you as a daily use, wide and open design, keeps fruit vegetable fresh, best and effortless to clean, with no loss in storage, dry, wash and display functionality, basket stand for serving apple, grapes, orange, pineapple, banana, lemon and more fruit in style. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Soap dispenser. With attached caddy holds sponges, scrubbers, rags, scouring pads in one convenient place while keeping water off kitchen counters. No more messy spills, dripping, or trailing. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Peeler. Easily peel precise strips of carrots, cucumber, zucchini and more. Compact, comfortable Y-peeler shape is easy to maneuver and works with every grip, has sharp, durable stainless steel blades won't rust, has non-slip ergonomic handle. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Glass jar. Ensure a quality seal with each laid seal up freshness for long-term storage. Your favorite dry fruits, snacks, pasta, coffee beans, spices, cereals, and cookies will remain fresher longer. A screw-on metal lid keeps your food fresher longer. Prevent your sugar from getting hard, your cookies from getting stale, and keep your flour bug-free. Use these glass jar. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Shelves. Sticker is an innovative formula that grasps the surface firmly and greatly improves the loading ability and service life of wall-mounted accessories in bathroom, kitchens. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Duster. Featuring innovative split fiber technology, the duster becomes electrostatically charged as you use it, attracting dust and hairs with ease. Use it wet or dry to get your house spick and span. Lightweight, sturdy and durable, can be used for household appliances, ceiling, window blinds, ceiling fans, various furniture and cars. Just slide the head of the telescopic wand, hand wash with warm or low heat water. Rotate the pole, let the microfiber be fluffy. Place in ventilated place to dry. Also designed the base of the extending rod with make storage friendly, has a hanging hole to make storage easy. The microfiber duster with extension pole can easily clean eaves, ceilings, blinds, lampshades, desktops. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Vacuum cleaner. Is small and lightweight, easily fitting on any desk or workspace. It's perfect for those tight spaces where traditional vacuums can't reach, ensuring a clean environment without cluttering your space. It easily fits in your bag, making it ideal for quick cleanups on the go. Enjoy efficient cleaning with strong suction power that effortlessly picks up dirt and debris, all while operating quietly, perfect for maintaining a peaceful home environment, even during kids' nap time. Powered by 2-hour batteries, this vacuum cleaner offers up to 2 hours of continuous cleaning, providing ultimate portability and convenience for busy moms. Perfect for quick, hassle-free cleanups without needing to search for an outlet. Not just for cleaning desks, this vacuum excels at clearing out keyboards, drawers, car interiors, kitchen and craft areas. It's a versatile tool that adapts to wherever you need it most, from the playroom to the pantry. Comes with a handy mini cleaning brush for easy maintenance, ensuring your vacuum stays clean and operates at peak performance. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Egg boiler. Fill water till 25 ml mark for soft boil, fill till 50 ml mark for medium boil, and fill till 75 ml mark for hard boil. This user-friendly egg boiler has a built-in auto shut-off feature that turns it off as soon as the egg is boiled, and the LED indicator tells when the boil is done. It comes with a measuring cup that lets you measure the appropriate amount of water for each kind of boil and has a built-in pin to pierce the eggs before cooking to prevent cracking. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Multi-cooker. Built for Indian cooking, a proprietary heat system with base heating elements, smart sensors, an Omni blade for even heat distribution, and 750 plus guided recipes. Designed for masalas that bhuno, tadkas that crackle, and dals that reduce without burning. At its core, the device seeks to eliminate the daily burden of what to cook and how to cook it, effectively putting an expert chef's capabilities on the countertop of any home. With over 5 lakh plus meals successfully cooked in thousands of households actively relying on it every single month, the smart multicooker has transitioned from a novel gadget to an indispensable member of the modern household. The philosophy behind its creation is simple yet profoundly ambitious: to protect the tradition of eating fresh, home-cooked food by removing the tedious aspects of cooking. By automating the most labor-intensive parts of food preparation, such as chopping, continuous stirring, monitoring boiling points, and regulating cooking temperatures, the appliance allows users to reclaim their time, whether they wish to focus on their professional tasks, spend quality time with family, or simply relax after a long day. Continuously adds new recipes each week, ensuring your cooking experience stays fresh and exciting. As soon as Chef Magic connects to your Wi-Fi, it gets updated with new recipes. The device features an advanced heating system that seamlessly combines smart base heating elements with a suite of precise, intelligent sensors. This heatcore system is constantly monitoring the temperature and consistency of the ingredients inside the stainless steel jar. Product link is given in the 35th link.